Hey guys, I'm back today with another video. This one is going to be brought to you by the company Idnhair Natural, and I'm going to be showcasing another pre-cut wig. Look, it's hot outside and we need something that's just going to be easy to rock. In the box, they included an HD wig cap. They also included a wig band, which I was excited about because your girl needs a new one. They also included scalp tape, so it comes in light brown, medium brown, and dark brown. And that is everything you will get in the package for free. Okay, these are free gifts. Everybody gets them. They also do tint their lace, so they included some of the lace. This is the light one, which I feel like will blend in well to my skin. This is the medium color, and I feel like the medium look good, and then the dark color. So I feel like on camera they all look like they will blend well, but the unit that I'm going to be showing you guys today does come with a medium brown HD lace. This is their Yaki straight pre-cut 5x5 closure wig, and it has natural 4C edges. This also has the ventilated dome cap, and it is 10 inches in length and 180% in density. Rocking this as a glueless install, so I'm going to be using the wig band, and that's just going to help with extra security. I like this wig band because it does come with an adjustable strap in the back, and I've only had the ones with the Velcro, and that would tear up the back of my nape area. So just making sure everything is adjusted, and then I'm going to show you guys what that parting space looks like. Now this unit does come with a clean hairline. It also comes with bleached knots. The one thing about this wig band, because the lace is pretty thin, is that you want to put it exactly where you want to part it at, because as you can see on the side, you can see the wig band, but as I parted it in the middle, it doesn't show at all. Now, because I placed the wig band as a middle part, that's exactly how I'm going to rock it. Now, if you want to use the scalp tape and you don't want to worry about the wig band, you can. However, I tried to rock a little piece of each and it just did not work for me, and I feel like it was already bleached so good I didn't need it, so that's why I opted for the wig band, but it's totally up to you. So I'm just going to place some wax at the top, and then I'm going to use my hot comb to press everything down. Combed out the hairs, and then I'm going to go in and pluck them just a little bit. These hairs were not super thick, so I didn't have to pluck out much. I just wanted it to be a little bit lighter. Also, these hairs were very easy for me to work with. So I'm going to be using my olive oil mousse, and I'm going to place that in the front, and then I'm just going to kind of brush everything back, and then I'm going to swoop over those hairs on the side. It's going to help kind of conceal where the closure part starts. I'm going for a really soft and natural and wispy kind of look when it comes to the front, so I'm only going to just swoop those sides, and I'll be just playing around with that olive oil mousse just to get it exactly where I need it to be. I'm going to be placing a little bit of powder in the middle, and I'm only doing this to cover up where that lace piece is on the wig band. And then I'm just going to flat iron this hair. Now, I did have to turn my flat iron up because I was trying to flat iron it on a low setting because this is a Yaki texture, but I feel like it wasn't doing what I needed it to do. So yes, I had to up that heat, and then I just kind of gave it a slight bump. I did notice like right in the front where there were some longer pieces, but of course I am going to take care of that. Some stubborn hairs that did not want to lay down at the top, so I had to keep going over it with my wax and the hot comb. But now it's time to take off this elastic band, and just look how well everything melted in. It looks super good. Glue for what? What do you need glue for? The mousse gonna get the job done. So I'm gonna trim down some of those hairs a little bit, and I'm just gonna play around with the comb, but I don't want to move everything too much because I like the way that it's looking. But you'll see me kind of go in with the wax just because there were some flyaways, and then I'm gonna trim down those pieces on the side. This serum in was definitely important because of the frizziness and flyaways, and we definitely want to keep everything nice and sleek. But it took me no time to install this, and we love a cute little low maintenance unit. Even though I flat ironed this on a high setting, you can still see the texture in this unit. So this look definitely came together. I do feel like this bob is longer than 10 inches. Y'all let me know if I'm tripping because it looks a little bit longer than 10. And then the density on this is nice. I feel like it's more of a lightweight density. It's not thin, but it's not heavy at all. The front of this lace and the hairline, like, come on now. It looks really, really good. But guys, make sure you stay tuned after this so you can hear my final thoughts when it comes to this unit. Y'all, I am loving the way the front of this looks. It's giving like the Lori Harvey edges. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. And I just love how it's all blended down. It looks very soft, very wispy. I definitely wanted to change it up a little bit when it comes to like the textured edges, because I have done so many and I don't want them to all look the same. So I wanted to play around with these. The good thing is, you guys see I use mousse on the side to kind of swoop this over here, and it didn't revert back like I thought it would. So it made it lay down really good. I used my olive oil mousse and I just put it around the front of the hairline. And I also put on the wig grip that they sent over. Now, they did send over these strips that you can put into the parting space area just to kind of make it look more scalp-like. I feel like once I put the unit on, it just was no need to do that, especially with this underneath. The thing I will say about the wig grip is that you have to place it exactly where you know you want your parting to be, because as you can see, when I move the parting space over, you could definitely see the lightness of it. And then right here where the lace part is, you couldn't see it at all. So I feel like this one is really comfortable because it has the adjustable strap in the back. You don't have to worry about the Velcro being worn out like the old school ones. I'm not sure if they've upgraded those, but I haven't worn one of these in a minute because I'm always using my silicone grip. So I feel like they did a really good job with bleaching the knots, and that's another reason why I didn't want to put these on. I tried to put this color on and I feel like it was just too light, and then this one was going to be a little bit too dark. So I only needed a little bit of powder in this area to conceal where the lace part is on the wig grip. So I was okay with just rocking it like this. The fit on this is really nice on my head. I definitely don't feel like it's going anywhere. I didn't even have to put any bobby pins on the side for extra security. I also have a really comfortable cap, and it has like that silicone on the side to kind of stick down. So I would say this is the first pre-cut wig that I've tried that hasn't been too big. Like, I'm not feeling any bigness up here. I'm not feeling any extra room back here. So this one fits me really nice. With this texture, I did have to go over it a few times. I also had to turn up my flat iron just to kind of knock down a little bit of the crimps. And also when I had my flat iron turned down low, I noticed that it wasn't bumping under the way that I needed it to be. So turning it up a little bit higher definitely helped to soften out some of the hair. Definitely want to make sure you go in and add some serum, because I see the flyaways happening on the side. At the top, I had to go in even more with my wax just to kind of get everything to lay down. I really like the length on this because it's perfect for every day, and the density on this is good also. Now, as far as shedding and tangling goes, I did get a little bit of shedding. It wasn't much at all. I'm not getting any tangles at the moment. Definitely tell over time that this is going to look a bit dry. It is tinted and it's also an HD lace, and it gets 2 thumbs up because y'all, this looks good. This looks realistic as heck. Now on the sides, of course, because this is a closure, you're gonna see that, but it's not thick at all, and then you really can't even see where the start of the closure is on this side, even though I did kind of swoop these hairs over here. But the way that they tinted this is really nice. This also comes with a clean hairline, so you don't have to go in and do any extra plucking. I went in and plucked out a little bit of those kinky edges because I wanted to thin them out. But if you don't want to do that, you absolutely don't have to. What you guys think about this unit? I am loving the pre-cut looks. I like how the companies are definitely stepping it up with the edges. I mean, if you're gonna put them on there, you got to put them on there right, okay? Because we don't want to be looking crazy in the front and then looking good towards the back. And also, you don't want to have to put in too much work up here. Like, what's the point of having a pre-cut unit if you're fussing with the front the whole time? If you are feeling this unit, I'm gonna make sure to leave all the links down below in the description area. Guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.